Hello everyone, this is the final question on paper 2 from 2023, and we've got a proof by contradiction. Let's have a look and see what's going on. So it says a student attempts to answer the following question. Given that x is obtuse, use algebra to prove by contradiction that sin x minus cos x is greater than or equal to 1. The student starts the proof with assume that sin x minus cos x is less than 1 when x is an obtuse angle, and they start off by writing sin x minus cos x all squared is less than 1. Okay, so, they're basically indicating from the question that the student's proof is starting off okay. And let's examine that and see whether that is the case. So we always need to start off by assuming the opposite, okay? Now we're given that x is obtuse, so that's fixed. Use algebra to prove that sin x minus cos x is greater than or equal to 1. Well, the opposite of greater than or equal to 1 is just less than 1. So less than 1 is like our contrapositive statement. That's the opposite, okay? So that seems reasonable. They've chosen just to square the expression, and let's continue with that because it would appear that this is a correct start. So we're going to square sin x minus cos x, gives us sine squared minus 2 lots of sin x cos x plus cos squared. Sin x add cos squared, sine squared add cos squared is 1. So that gives us 1 minus 2 lots of sin x cos x is less than 1. We can just subtract 1 off both sides. There's no illegal maths by doing that. That gives us minus 2 sin x cos x is less than 0. 2 sin x cos x is sin²x. So that is minus sin²x is less than 0. Multiply both sides by minus 1, just to get rid of that minus. And that gives us sin²x is greater than 0. Okay. Now let's examine what we've got, because we're talking about our x is obtuse, they tell us. And obtuse means it's greater than 90 but less than 180. So if x is obtuse, it's less than 180 but greater than 90. But we've got to deal with 2x here. So we're looking for the interval 180 to 360 of sine. So I've drawn the sine graph. And in the interval from 180 to 360, sine is negative, which contradicts the fact that this sin²x is greater than 0. And that is our contradiction, okay? So we've basically found that if it's the case that x is obtuse, which is fixed, we basically have found that we're saying that sin²x is greater than 0, but we found it's actually less than 0, and that's our contradiction, okay? So that this statement contradicts the fact that sin²x is greater than 0 because actually it's negative. So therefore the opposite must be true, and sin x minus cos x must in fact be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, and that concludes this paper. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.